Good morning, students. Are you ready for today's art class? Now, what do you see on my sheet? Yes, that's very quick. You've guessed it right. It's a houseboat. Now, where are these houseboats found? Yes, in India, they are found in Kerala. So, are you ready to go with me to Kerala today? Let's go to Kerala and let's go on a houseboat. It's going to be a cruise in the sea, in the river, or in the backwaters. Can anyone answer me? Yes, in the backwaters of Kerala. So, let's begin. Children, we are first going to begin with the hull of the boat. This is called the hull of the boat, and in Kerala, this is made specially with wood, which is bound together using coconut ropes that are made with coconut fiber. As you all know that Kerala is very famous for its coconut trees as well. There are lots of coconut trees. So let's begin. Draw a sleeping line towards the lower half of the sheet. Make it long. These houseboats are very long. They're many feet long, as they have the facilities of rooms and kitchens, dining area, everything on them. Now 2 slanting lines on the sides. Children, we are not going to make it very deep. We are going to make the hull of the boat a little narrow only, because on top we have to make the structure and the roof. Now, for the houseboat, we are going to begin by making semicircles. I am going to make a circular shaped opening or a door, which you can call, or a rounded door. Now make one sleeping line on top like this, curve it a little and make a line parallel to this first line. You must have studied parallel lines in maths. So this is a line parallel to this, and join from here to here. Now I feel that the area in front is too less, so I am going to make a bit of change. I am going to extend it a little further outwards. Right, now it looks better. There are windows for people to see the beauty of backwaters, the lush green bushes, coconut trees, the water, the sky, fishermen. So as long as you stay on this boat, you can just enjoy the scenery. Now double these. You know, children, in Kerala, there are these villages which are famous for making houseboats only. And the roof of the houseboat and the entire structure is made with palm leaves and bamboo. Now on top, just like you make a house, let's make a little roof. Just like you make a house by making a triangle sleeping line and come down like this. Now you would say that Kerala has a lot of rainfall since the boat is in water. Then how do we protect the boat from water? Now to protect the boat, you know what these people do? Kerala is also very famous. Let's make some waves for one dry fruit. Can you tell me which is that? Yes, cashews. So the oil which comes out of the cashews, the cashew nut, is used for coating the outer area, the outer surface of the houseboat. Now, once we are done with this, let's draw the windows properly. From here you can open them. We can also draw the rail or the fence that's put up for the safety of people. This is your wish. If you want to add, you can. Otherwise, you can just leave it. Now, this is done. So, our houseboat is ready. Now, children, coming to the background. Now, we can also add some tubes by making 2 concentric circles. These tubes are needed for the safety of people on boat or ship. So just make a circle, another circle in between. You've done concentric circles in maths. And these. They're tied with the rope. Now let's make a nice, beautiful backwater Kerala water scenery. Let's make some bushes and coconut trees at the back. You've done coconut trees in class 3, class 2. In case you've forgotten how to make, I'm teaching you again. Children, let's make 2 curved lines like this. Then bring these first curved line like this down, go around, come down like this. Now once this is done, make one more curved line on top like a fountain, another curved line like this. So you get 4 curved lines. You once again see, draw 2 curved lines, thin, go around and come down just like water falls out of a fountain. Go around and come down, and then 1 and 2 more curved lines on top. Now what you have to do? Just zigzag and join. Zigzag and join. Now zigzag, 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 zigzag and join. From here also zigzag, zigzag and join. Same way, zigzag, 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 join. Zigzag, 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 join. It's the easy way to make coconut tree, and you can put coconuts on the tree as well. Now those of you who want to add some more trees, you may do so. Otherwise, it's absolutely up to you. Let's make some clouds. You can add the sun. I want to add one more tree, so I'm adding. Same way, 2 lines like a water fountain, zigzag, and we are done. So this is our nice scenery of backwaters. Now children, we are not going to be coloring this. So then what are we going to do? It's going to be something different, and that technique is called Pointillism. And I will be teaching you in the next art class what is Pointillism. So till then, you make a nice drawing of the houseboat.